my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, today I'm going to somewhere visit park. So I'll show you which all things we do there. So I'm going to with my elder sister, and right now I'm ready, and this is my outfit of the day. I'll show you later my full outfit. So now I'm ready. Now time is 3 o'clock in evening, I can say. So now I'm ready, and we are almost heading towards our destination where we are going today. So guys, whenever I go somewhere and which all things I do, so sometime because many time I don't make any blog and I don't have enough time to capture anything, but sometime I just want to utilize my time to do blogging and all things, because as you know, I'm also English learner. So whenever I go somewhere and whenever I want to speak any particular topic, so I just choose blog, because I love to do blogging. So that's why this can help me to grow in English language. So that is why I prefer to do blogging whenever I go to visit somewhere. Sometime if I get time, so I definitely try to make blog. So that you can learn something new from my video, who all are beginner in this language, and which all things I know already in English, so I can guide you also. So guys, I'm not saying I'm fluent speaker, but you can learn so many things from me too, because when I was a totally beginner, so that time I could not make sentence properly, and I can't speak front of camera, and I can't utter a single sentence. So that this problem is with me that time. But now I'm little bit confident and I can say something in English. So if I do daily practice, like if I do blogging and explain anything in front of camera, so I get confidence and I feel be motivated to try and we continue in this English journey. So let's go with me and I'll show you which all things we do there. So
चोट बोला बे
guys, now we are on the way. So as you can see, this is my outfit of the day. This is t-shirt and jeans, and this is my pretty bag. So now we are nearby at the park. So now we are ready to go from here. So let's go. I will show you which all things we visit today. So let's go with me. So guys, this is the view from here, and as you can see, we have to go in this road ahead. And this is the big canal here. Water flow is very heavy these days because of rainy season. So we are going to ahead, and park is 2 kilometer far away from here. So let's go guys. Now we are at the park. So first we have to take ticket from here. So let's take ticket first and then we will go under in the park. This is the park area of outside. As you can see, this is the motorcycle vehicle and cars here. We are at the park, so meet my elder sister. So right now she is with me. So we have to visit this park first, so then we will go to home back. So as you can see, as I always complain about sweating, because we have to come here 2-3 kilometers away, so that is why I feel sweaty a lot. But let's roaming here and there. So then we will visit this park, and after complete visit this park we will go back. So as you can see behind me, so many people are here too, and we are also roaming in this park. This is the scenery of this park, and the name is here I Love Dagpatar. And this is the plantation and plant of this park, and this is full air. And as you can see, this is the kid train here, and so many things are here available to visit here and there and enjoy in this park. So guys, now we are enjoying in this park. We have already visited so many places here, so I can't shoot properly because so many people are there that time. Guys, you can see so many varieties of flower tree here in this park, looking very beautiful, as you can see. And this flower tree is looking very mesmerizing view of here in this park. So guys, see this park looking something like this, and we are here in this corner because So guys, now we are just sitting here because we feel tired, so that is why we sit here for a while. And once we visited all park here, so we will visit also canteen. So if we find anything special things here, so we will eat, and if don't find anything special, so we will go from here, because we have to go also market. So market is too far away from here, so this is the main market, so we have to visit it, that too. So now we are just sitting here, as you can see. And guys, I don't know why I am facing this issue in rainy season. I feel so much humidity in my body, that is why my all body is always sweating in this season. So it's always usually happened with me in this season, so that's why I don't love this season so much. I love because of greenery, but this humidity is very tough for me to survive in city area. And now we are going from here, so let's go. Now we buy this two ice creams from this canteen. So rest all things is not good here, so that's why we prefer to buy two ice cream for us. So now we will go from here. So guys, now we are going to back from here. So this is our ice cream. I have already opened it. So first enjoy it, and then we will leaving from here, because time is getting over. So we have already enjoyed which all things we have to see here. So now we are here to enjoy this ice cream, and then we will go from here. So guys, now we are in market. So she is buying suit from her, so that is why we are in this shop. So let's see what all things she will buy more. So later we will go back to home. So as you can see, suit variety of hair in this shop behind me, but I don't wear usually suits, because I don't like that much suits. So that's why I always prefer to wear jeans, top, pajamas, and which all things wear in a daily basis girls these days. So I just like this all things. So now we are buying some fruits from here, and last but not the least, we bought also up chowmin in market. Then we came at back home. As you can see right now, I'm at home, and these all things I bought today. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. If you like my video, so please guys keep support. I will definitely try to make more vlog for you and me. So thanks for watching.